Hi, today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2734e printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and a complete setup of this printer. So let's do the unboxing. Plug in the power cable. Now switch on the printer, so press the power button. Wait for the printer to start. I'm going to use a Windows laptop. Now I'm going to start the setup using a Windows laptop. So go to the Windows laptop, download the HP Smart app from the App Store. So once we download it, open the app and click on the plus button on this side, or you should be able to see add another printer and click add printer. Click HP DeskJet 2700 setup. Click continue. So it will access the Wi-Fi password automatically. So continue. We have to press the flashing information button on our printer. So here you can see the I button and continue the setup. Here we can see printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. Now click on accept all connected printing services for cloud and to deliver printing using the cloud services. So accept all terms and conditions here. You can activate the HP Plus if you want and click continue. Activate HP Plus. Now if you want, you can enroll for 9-month free automatic ink delivery, or you can just enable. If you want, you can disable it. And it can remind me later. So it will give you the instant ink or the ink at the 50%. Next thing is to load the paper. So here is the paper tray at the rear. Adjust the size. Place paper here. Now go to your laptop and click continue. Now scroll ahead and then continue. Next thing is to install the ink. So it will show up here like step 2. Remove the ink cartridges and the seal. Step 3, insert the ink cartridges and close the ink door. Now open the ink chamber. Remove the seal. Also remove the seal. So take the ink cartridges out and remove the seal. Place black ink cartridge on the black side and the color ink cartridge on the color side. Close this door. Now we are ready to use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. It should be displaying all the information of your printer, like the name of the printer series, estimated level of ink, and if you click on the printer, it will display more information regarding it, like printer status, supply status, printer information. And if you go to the tool section and printer reports, here we can print the reports of this printer. So I'm going to print the printer status report. Instantly it works. So we have completed the setup of the printer, including the wireless setup, and our printer is ready to use for copy, print and scan. Thanks for watching.